If you trade gold in South Africa, choosing the right broker can make a major difference. Gold, or XAUUSD, can move quickly during inflation reports, interest rate decisions, US dollar changes, and global market events. Small differences in spreads, execution, and slippage can impact your results. In this video, Top Forex Brokers Review compares 6 popular Gold CFD brokers in South Africa. We'll compare regulation, costs, platforms, execution, account access, and broker that suit different types of gold traders. Remember, Forex, CFDs, and leveraged trading involve risk. This video is educational only and not financial advice. We looked at 6 important areas: regulation and trust, especially FSCA relevance for South African traders; gold trading costs, including spreads and commissions; trading platforms such as MT4, MT5, CTrader, and broker apps; execution quality, account access, and overall suitability for different trading styles. Here are the best gold broker for South Africa in 2026. FB Markets, IC Markets, FX Pro, HFM, AXI, FBS. Check the link below on description to open an account with Best Gold Broker for South Africa in 2026. Now let's briefly explore what makes each broker stand out. First, FP Markets. FP Markets is our top overall choice for South African gold traders. It offers a strong combination of regulation, competitive trading conditions, platform support, and account flexibility. With platforms like MT4 and MT5, traders can use advanced charts, indicators, and fast order execution. FP Markets stands out because it balances cost, trust, and usability. Best for traders looking for the best overall gold trading experience. Second, IC Markets. IC Markets is popular among scalpers and active traders who focus on spreads and execution speed. It supports MT4, MT5, and CTrader, making it suitable for traders who need flexible platforms. Best for experienced traders who prioritize low costs and fast execution. At number 3 is FX Pro. FX Pro offers a wide range of platforms, including MT4, MT5, CTrader, and its own platform depending on region. This flexibility allows traders to choose the environment that fits their strategy. It also has long-standing international regulation, but traders should confirm their registered entity before opening an account. Best for traders who value platform variety. Four, HFM. HFM is a strong option for South African traders because of its FSCA-regulated local entity. It offers MT4, MT5, and its own app with different account options for beginners and experienced traders. Best for traders who want flexibility and South Africa regulatory relevance. At number 5, we have AXI. AXI focuses on a simple MetaTrader-based trading experience with MT4 support and a clean trading environment. Gold traders who already use MetaTrader may find AXI suitable for XAUUSD trading because it offers familiar charting tools, technical indicators, and clean order execution. Best for traders who want a simple MetaTrader-based setup for XAUUSD trading. Coming in at number 6 is FBS. FBS can appeal to traders who want to start with a smaller deposit and a simple setup. However, low deposit does not remove risk. Gold can move sharply, especially with leverage. Best for beginners starting carefully with limited capital. So, which broker is best for gold trading in South Africa? FP Markets, best overall balance. IC Markets, best for low-cost active traders. FX Pro, best for platform choice. HFM, best for account flexibility. AXI, best for beginner-friendly access. FBS, best for small budget beginners. Before opening an account, always check regulation, trading costs, spreads, withdrawal options, and test the platform with a demo account. Never choose a broker only because of bonuses, high leverage, or a low deposit requirement. Gold trading offers opportunities, but risk management is essential.
If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more trading breakdowns. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.